Kill.
What?
Why are you trying to wake me up, mate?
Why am I trying to wake you up?
You're doing touching it, mate. Seriously, Kill, because I'll fuck off downstairs, mate. Go to sleep.